everybody, this is Philippe for La Costume March with a video about a big announcement from, we think it's a big announcement, from a soon-to-be sworn-in President Trump. Apparently he wants to incorporate, or wants to try to incorporate Greenland into the United States. Now, Greenland is not a little piece of land, it's almost twice the size of the United States. So that would add a lot of geographic size to this country, this beautiful country, and apparently very rich piece of land on many angles and very strategic, apparently. People of Greenland seem to also have expressed a liking for the idea to be incorporated. Now, Greenland's population is about, I believe, about 50,000, which is tiny. It could be mostly because Greenland is mostly ice and very, very, very cold. So, with that said, with this big announcement, we decided to put together some slogans, and most likely those slogans will be printed on T-shirts, and we need your help. And let's keep this fun. The slogans are below the video. Take a look, and if you could vote on one or two of them that you feel are most appropriate, more likely to be liked and be popular, and we really appreciate it. We are also going to run give away a free T-shirt to 10 people who will be enjoying a trip to the Bahamas with T-shirts and also a free boat. We're going to give out a free boat and also a dishwasher for the boat. Actually, the boat is a dishwasher. So, you're going to be traveling in class in a nice dishwasher. Just don't open the door while you're in the ocean. That the dishwasher may sink. And we're going to send you to Greenland. Free trip to northern Greenland with no coat, and you'll be wearing just a T-shirt and a pair of shorts. So enjoy the trip, and don't forget to vote below and for the slogan you think would be the most popular. Thank you, appreciate it.